Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, my name is Jeliska Irana.
My name is Faranesa Emprianda. My name is Samsabila Ranora.
My name is Pirana Dwi Putri.
Hello.
Hi. Friend, how about this afternoon we go to the city garden?
I do not agree.
Why? We should just go to the park.
Let's go.
How about a podcast here? No, I don't agree. I think it's better there.
Yes. Let's go.